friends, recently we visited Windmill Island Gardens of Holland for the Tulip Time Festival. The Holland Tulip Time Festival in Holland, Michigan, is the world's largest tulip festival, centering around the famous Windmill Island Gardens. The gardens feature over 150,000 tulips. Let's explore Tulip Garden with us.
पेड़ भी लग रहे सामने उठे दो
And there's a geese!
Yeah, that is attractive.
Look at me!
Nanya. Please, Nanya.
एमने खाली पैच करके लॉगिन
What's What you are looking? Hi, Sarah.
We came that way. We can go back to Is that fine? I don't know.
We'll turn, Sierra. Come.
Let's go.
Timer will stop.
What do we do here? is recording, everyone is there.
फार फार बेटर
ଘରେ ବସିଲେ ବେଟର ଏନ୍ଜୟ ହଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ଅଛି ନା ଏଠି ପ୍ୟାକ୍ ମୁଁ ସେଇ କଥା ନ କହୁଛି ଅଯଥା ହାଇପ୍ କରିଛି କରିକି
Good job.
Hello, la 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 la. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a pickled what does it say?
Little Netherlands.
Peter Piper picked a pepper. Peter Piper picked a pepper. Come.
Sierra. Silu, I'm your mom, not Silu. Don't call mom by name. Here. See their house. Oh wow! See, there are windmills. There are See ya. Kiss, come. Hey. Okay. We'll see very gently. Ready? Ready, Sarah? Yes. Up.
Yeah, that's fine. But I need to give
Ania.
No, she said I will go with Krishika. You go.
Yeah, we should go. 300 minutes and ride. Windmill Island Gardens is located at 1 Lincoln Avenue, Holland, Michigan, just a short distance from downtown Holland. This historic, 250-year-old windmill still mills grain into flour, which is available for purchase. You can tour the interior, see the working mechanisms, and climb to the top for sweeping views of the tulip fields. We went top. Ciara wants to stay more at top. There was multiple color tulip. Tulips are spread throughout garden. Weather was little cold and windy, else it is very good place to explore. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.